So I think, the good thing about the event is a lot of IT companies are participating in it, and gradually this is becoming as a sort of culture and a regular routine in the IT companies. This riding to work, okay, riding during the work, that means taking small breaks. See, there is a lot of stress in life. I mean, I have seen screensavers where after every 2 to 3 minutes or 15 minutes or 18 minutes, some exercise will be coming on the screen. It's a matter of it's a part of the policy of the particular IT company. That is there, very good. But I think physically, cycling is one of the best exercises, and it is relieving a lot of stress also. So it should come as a part of culture. It should come as a part of daily routine. And I congratulate all the IT companies from Dell, from Invesco, from Wells Fargo, all the IT companies who are participating in this event. I wish them all the best, and I wish all the youngsters to make it as a part of daily life. I think the lifestyles have totally changed. As I said, a lot of stress is there in life. Lifestyle has totally changed. Whatever calories we are taking, we are not burning. Okay, I was reading recently in newspaper an article which says that, cycling, or for that matter running or walking, is not only physical exercise. It does not only do good to you physically, it also does a lot of good to you, I mean, on the mental side. Because a lot of nerves which are there in the mind, they get invigorated. So you start thinking fresh. The mind gets enlivened. It starts living. So cycling is not only a physical exercise, also part of it. So cycling or running or walking, daily exercising should be a part of a routine, and should be. That is how the nation is going to move forward. I do ride on weekends. I do ride on weekends with my son. We have got 2 bikes. So both of us go in the Osmania University. We try to climb the hills. We try to, pump in a lot of energy when we are climbing the hills. It's a lot of fun. And you learn to live. It's a part of living.